This is going to be a super fast video. It is Christmas Eve and I've got a fun game for you. If you're watching this, I hope you are watching this in the next couple of days. This is a fun little game for you to play online. If you're having your Christmas Zoom party or anything like that, fun little game, super quick. Let me explain it to you right away. By the way, my name is Yuri. This is the Magic Sauce. I'll talk about facilitation, but let me talk about that game. So go online. I'm going to show you this over here. Go online to swellgarfo.com/Scattergories. Now you've probably heard of the game Scattergories. It's a fun little game. There's a nice little website. When you get there, it looks a bit like this. And let's just run through one to give you a bit of an idea of how one of these works. The letter is I, or I can change it to re-roll. Right? Let's say the letter M. I can set time and I can play. Rather than explain it, let me just show you how it works. The moment I hit play, these categories rock up. So the letter is M, and I've got these categories. I need to come up with one, no more than one, bad habit that starts with an M. Computer programs start with M, car parts start with an M. So for instance, bad habits that start with an M is minding other people's business is a bad habit. Say computer programs, Microsoft Word is a computer program. Car parts, M is a motor. Yeah. Reasons to quit your job, management. Things to do on a date. Mangiare, no, that's Italian. So things to do on a date. Make her a card. Make him a card. Something like that. Anyway, famous females with an M, Madonna, etc., etc. So that's how that works, right? So you set your time. And you can re-roll. You can say you do something else. You want to have a different letter. You hit play again. And now again, it's all with an L. It's the same one. So bad habits with an L is licking cats. Computer programs with L is Linux. Is that a program? Anyway, so you see kind of how this works. Now the nice thing about this is you got a time here. You can change the time to whatever. You can set it to 90 seconds or again like 120 seconds, right? You can re-roll. You can pick a different letter, or you could just change the color. Let's say that we are going to change the color to what do we like? What do we like? I like this. It's kind of clear, kind of light on a dark background. Oh my bad. Sorry, I just hit that one. Let's do light on the dark background, right? So let's okay, that kind of works, right? So to re-roll, different categories. Let's do restart. Did I just restart? Yeah, there we go. That's a J. Everybody ready? Go. So tools with a J, song titles with a J, and that's 12. Okay, you can change the amount of categories you want to 10, 11, 12, whatever it is that you want. And here's how you do it with other people. So what you could do is you could, in your Zoom chat or Teams, if that's what you're using, you can pop that on your screen. You can play it as the host and people can fill in the answers in the chat, right? So they just do 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Or you can just grab a piece of paper and write them down. At the end, you just hold it up and you compare the answers. If anybody's got the same answer, I think you call snap. So let's say here, let's pick one here, let's restart. So let's say, let's pick this one. Okay, here, there you go, nice color. So things that have wheels, a sidecar, oh, I don't know why I did that. Things that have wheels, sidecar, motorbike, something that I have. Now, if somebody else has sidecar, motorbike, you go snap, and neither of you gets a point. You can set up a point system to whatever you want. That's all I wanted to say for this little video. It's a fun little game you can play with your Zoom groups, with your Skype, with whatever you want to do. It's a fun little thing over Christmas, so I hope you watch this video. I'm going to post this right away. It's the 24th of December right now, and I'm just getting ready for my for my Christmas video, which I do every year. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. There's more videos over here. Check out my other videos. But for now, go to play some of these Scattergories games. It's a fun little activity for you to do with your family, with your friends, with your teams. Catch you here next time for more games.